Minasan. So, well, as you would know, if you're a portfolio asset manager or a trader, uh, psychology is 80% of what you do, if not 90%. But the question is, how do you know how far you are with regards to your psychology? So, here's a quick litmus test. How do you feel after a winning week, after a winning month? Well, you feel happy. And the question is, how long after that do you feel elated? On the other side, how do you feel after a month where you've had a loser, or after a losing week, maybe even a losing day? Well, if you're not feeling good after that day or week, and also how long you don't feel good as well is a telltale. So if you have a losing week, and at the end of the week you're doing your ASR, you're busy looking at the trades that you've had, and your whole Saturday just feels off, and maybe Sunday, and maybe a little bit of Monday, that tells you that you still have a bit of a journey when it comes to your psychology. When you get to that week where you've had a losing week and you're unfazed, and this is the second or third losing week that you've had, and you're unfazed about that, that is a good sign of exactly where you are with regards to your psychology. You don't have to do as much work as you would if you were a 1 week not feeling good and it just affects a couple of days, or even if it affects the day itself. Your Friday is just not great. On the other hand, if you have a winning week and you feel good, you feel elated, you're in a good week, you're in a good mood all weekend, that's also another telltale sign. The winners also determine how you will feel with the losers. If you feel elated with the winners and the winning weeks, and you can just feel that you are in flow for the weekend, and you just feel different, there's a skip in your step, that's a telltale sign that you still have a lot of work to do with regards to your psychology. But when you get to the point whereby you've had your week, whether it's a loser or a winner, you just log it, and Monday comes and you're back at it again, that tells you that you've done a lot of work with your psychology, and it doesn't come without work. Okay, you have to work on it. It doesn't just magically happen. That tells you that you've done a lot of work with your psychology, and you're in a really, really good position. But nonetheless, this is my top three currencies that I'm looking for this coming week. This is a very, very easy one. The New Zealand dollar, the Kiwi yen, and what I'll be looking for here is just the 1, 2, 3. I'll take a 4-hour entry on this unless we have a smaller 3-touch continuation up in this area. I'll be very, very willing to take that on the 4-hour. And then over here, I think we had this in last week's top 3, and there was a position actually that I took here. Took 2 positions on this. Maybe I can just show you those positions after I've done with the whole analysis. But what I'd be looking for this week is a simple 3-touch here for a textbook entry. For me, if I get the rejection in this area, I'm going in guns blazing here, and I'll take that to the lows. I'll allow price to show me where it wants to go with this one, so no take profits. I'll just be trailing this with the stop as usual, and take this to wherever price may take us. If you're interested, the positions I took this week, man, just a little bit of a crazy one for me in that regard. 2 really, really good positions. So here's this position here. I took it on this beautiful rejection, and when I was doing my ASR, I realized that I managed this quite quickly. So I took it to break even. I got tagged out there for the break even, and I would have literally held this until we hit 6%. I would have taken this. I would have taken my take profit at the end of the week with that one. So that happened, but I had another position that I was able to take, and if you can look closely at this position that I took here, another textbook position for me, But after I took this, unfortunately, I was taken out there for a loss. I mean, literally, I was taken out by spread, as you can see there, and this would have been a very, very nice position for me that I would have taken out over there. So like, instead of a 10%, I took a -1 on this one, but it's not an issue. It's not an issue of ASR that I know what I need to do in the future for these kinds of positions. Had other positions as well during the week. So it was a very, very good week for me nonetheless. Very good positions. And then the last one that I'll be looking at, and this one for me is probably Monday morning. And I have my a little textbook position for me here. I've got areas to the top that I am looking to tag. So over here, sometime early Monday morning, I'll be taking the 4-hour rejection to the upside as per my trading plan. And then we'll see where price takes us over there. Otherwise, I hope you'll have amazing week ahead, and I'll catch you again next week. Bye.